to the world of manufacturing, where precision meets innovation. But beneath the surface of these high-tech operations, there's a growing threat that's silently jeopardizing the industry: cyber attacks. In today's digital age, cyber attacks on manufacturing systems are not just a possibility, they're a reality. First, let's break down the manufacturing network. Modern factories rely on complex networks of computers and sensors and control systems to operate. These networks are interconnected, creating potential vulnerabilities. Cyber attackers exploit these vulnerabilities in various ways, which can be terrifying, and this is your chosen line of work. Whether these attacks are carried out through ransomware or through complex phishing methods, one thing we know for sure: if you work in manufacturing, you're in the crosshairs of cyber criminals. Large companies like Clorox, JBS Meats, and Toyota are the big splashy names who have been hit recently, but the small companies often fly under the radar when it comes to attacks. Through disruptions to product lines leading to significant financial losses, to company downtime, and of course, reputational damage. When it comes to attacks in the manufacturing world, there are so many different ways that a company or a business can be affected. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures is key. This includes regular software updates, strong passwords, and network segmentation. Regular training for employees is also crucial, as they are often the first line of defense. Investing in cybersecurity tools such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and regular backups can also help mitigate these risks. Regularly test your defenses with simulated attacks to ensure your systems can withstand real threats is key. By staying vigilant and proactive, manufacturers can safeguard their operations from cyber threats. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, resilience is the key to ensuring smooth, uninterrupted production. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a one-time fix. It's an ongoing process. So stay informed, stay secure, and keep your manufacturing operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and of course, reach out if you have any questions. And stay safe out there.